Queens always ask if you can use Yummy Yoni Pearls with the IUD. The answer is yes. You should actually cleanse with Yummy Yoni Pearls if you have an IUD to remove possible buildup of bacteria and yeast around the IUD, which can cause an odor. Reoccurring BV and yeast infections are common side effects of using IUDs. If you have an IUD, you can only use one Yummy Yoni Pearl per cleanse, so you don't loosen your IUD, even though they've been known to move or shift on their own. You can start your cleanse 3 days after your cycle ends completely once a month. Our Yummy Yoni Pearls now come with BPA-free plastic applicators. It makes inserting your Yummy Yoni Pearl so much easier. It's easy to use in 4 easy steps. If you experience dryness, make sure you use a natural lube like coconut oil. Always shower first and read the directions in full, and always start your cleanse with clean hands. The first step is to remove the plastic applicator and break it apart. The next step is to remove your Yummy Yoni Pearl from your package. One Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse is 3 pearls, but since you have an IUD, one cleanse for you is really 3. So once you remove your Yummy Yoni Pearl from the individual package, simply unravel the strings. This is how you're going to remove your Yummy Yoni Pearls. The next step is to take the bottom of the string, drop it down in the applicator, and take the top part of the applicator and drop your Yummy Yoni Pearl inside. Click it together. Easy. Once you insert your Yummy Yoni Pearl, you shouldn't feel them at all. You leave them in for 3 days and remove it by the string to allow your body to detox for the next 6 days. I hope this video was helpful for you and get you started on your Yummy Yoni Pearl cleanse. You can visit us in store at Pretty Kitty Boutique, located at 3064 Old North Cross Road in Duluth, Suite 210, upstairs, or you can just shop online at prettykittyboutique.net. Bye!